Which alphabet is this, kids? It's N. N for nose. Today we will learn all the alphabet from A to Z. A. Did you guys hear A? Yes, I got it. A for apple. B for bike. B for bike. C for car. C for car. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for frog. F for frog. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jungle. J for jungle. K for king. K for king. L for lemon. L for lemon. M for mouse. M for mouse. N for nose. N for nose. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. P for princess. P for princess. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for snake. S for snake. T for teeth. T for teeth. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. B for van. B for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for x-ray. X for x-ray. Y for yak. Y for egg. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Now repeat with me, kids. A B B C C D D E F F Z Z H J K L M O Q R S U V W X Y Z. Thank you.
Welcome.